Introduction to antifreeze proteins and their significance in nature. Definition of antifreeze proteins and their role in organisms. Antifreeze proteins are found in various cold-adapted species. These proteins lower the freezing point of bodily fluid. Key examples include fish living in Antarctic waters. The science behind antifreeze proteins involves molecular interactions. Antifreeze proteins prevent ice crystal formation. Various types of antifreeze proteins exist, including type I and type II. Type I proteins are found in fish and prevent freezing. Type II proteins are present in insects and plants. These proteins have diverse structures and function. Antifreeze proteins are crucial for survival in extreme habitats. Understanding these proteins has applications in biotechnology. They can be used in food preservation and agriculture. Antifreeze proteins inspire biomimicry in engineering. Researchers continue to study these proteins for new innovations. Future possibilities include medical and industrial application. Conclusion, highlighting the importance of antifreeze proteins. Encouragement to explore more about nature's adaptation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more science content.